Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to install the IMDb application to your Android TV box without any issues. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to drop us a like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Slim TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description on this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue. So this is my Android TV box I'm currently using, and if I want to install the IMDb application, here's the process I'm going to follow. So on your Android TV box, please follow the process, because even though your TV box might not look the same, the process is still the same. So go over to your apps section and just locate Google. It could be a Google or it could be a browser. So once you're here, all you have to do is just click on search and then go ahead and type the application you're interested in. So the application is IMDb application. For those of you who love this application, is how to install it to your Android TV. So here's it here, IMDb app. So just click on it once, and here's the application. Now, for you to see the application here, you must have logged into Google on your Android TV box or device. So if you don't have to log into Google, there's a video in the description that's going to help you log into Google. Once you're logged in, it's just going to be simple. When you see the application, just click on it once, and the install button is going to go over here. And all you have to do is just go over here and then click install, and you're good to go, and the application is installed to your Android TV. You see, it was as easy as that. There is no complications. Subscribe to your YouTube channel and find the video helpful.